So, okay. So it says that one set of data compares the educational level of people who manage successful startup companies in the United States and Korea. That makes sense, because then you'd have the US and Korea on one side, and then you'd have like high school, undergraduate, master's degree, and doctoral degree. Is that what you were?
Yeah, and that's why it's the test of independence.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Sorry.
That makes sense.
Where are we at?
Hey, we're just on question 3.
On lesson 20?
Yeah.
Or, I mean, 20?
Yep. All right, for question 3, I got wait, you said question 2. We were just talking about question 2, right? So now we're talking about question 3?
Yes.
Okay. For this one, I got the test of 2 proportions.
Let's see. What did I put on this one?
That's what I got, test of 2 proportions.
Okay. How do you guys, what words help you figure out whether it's a test of proportions or one of the, t-tests? You know what I mean? That might be a dumb question, but.
One thing that helps me is just that it says the company reported the number of employees in 2 groups. So it's the company that it reported the 2 different groups, and that's the 2 proportions, if that makes sense. So
Yeah, but I mean like 2 proportions versus a paired samples t-test or an independent samples t-test.
I just look at kind of like the wording in it. And if it's like trying to compare like 2 different things off the bat, that's kind of what I look at.
Yeah, well, I see that. My question is because the paired samples t-test, the independent sample t-test, and the test of 2 proportions all have 2 they're comparing. The other t-tests are just from our last test.
I've had a really hard time with this, but I mostly just, I don't know, like Lauren said, you just have to read through it and kind of get the feel of each one. I don't know. Like, I can't explain one certain word that sets it off.
Okay.
It's kind of, you just have to get a feel for the different ones, unfortunately. It's not just like one word makes it a certain test, if that makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, question 4, I got a test of 1 proportion.
That's what I got too.
Okay.
Is that what you got too, Becca?
No, but I think I'm just confused.
Okay.
So I'm gonna figure it out later.
For 5, I got paired samples t-test.
Yep, that's what I got as well.
For I just confused myself. 6, I got paired samples T confidence interval.
Yeah, that's what I got as well. For 7, I got confidence interval for 2 proportions.
Yeah, that's what I got. For 8, I got 1 sample T confidence interval.
Yeah, that's what I got as well. For question 9, I got the probability of the type 1 error.
That's what I got too.
Yeah, that's what I have as well.
Do you guys just want to do, like, go in turns? Like, each one do one? Okay.
I got for number 10, the probability of observing a sample statistic more extreme than one actually obtained.
Yep. That's what I got too. For 11, I got 95% of all 95% confidence intervals actually contain the true mean.
That's what I got.
Let's see. I got 0.3.
Yep. That's what I got. 13, I got 0.046.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Mhm.
And then for question 14, I got 0.138.
That's what I got.
0.138.
Yeah.
Oh, I got 0.124. But you got 38 as 138 as well, Lauren.
Yeah, that's what I got. 0.138.
Okay.
For question 15, I got 0.016.
Yep, that's what I got. For the next one, I got negative 0.003.
Yep, that's what I got as well.
Yeah, me too. For 17, I got 0.029.
I got 0.028.
I got 0.029.
That's super weird because when I submitted it, it's right.
That is weird.
I don't think it. Maybe it does like a margin of error. I don't know.
For question 18, it's the first one, right?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yep.
For 19, I got 1.458.
That's what I have as well.
Me too. For question 20, I got 0.145.
Me too.
The next one's the last one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and then for this one, my test statistic was, but I got 6.580.
I didn't get that.
You
For
did
which one?
For 22.
I got 6.580.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I got as well.
What'd you get, Lauren?
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I got 6.580. I'm looking at the wrong question.
Okay.
I was still on 20. I was like, I got 0.14. Never mind. I'm a little tired.
No, you're fine. You're totally fine.
And then for 23, I got 0.087.
Yeah, so did I. And then this one should be nil, the p-value is greater than 0.05.
Yep.
Right?
That's what I got. And then for the next one, I got the last one. We have insufficient evidence.
Yeah, to say that being a morning or evening person is not independent of age.
Yep, that was the last one.
Okay. Question 26, I got 0.190.
Yep, that's what I got.
There as well.
And I got 0.31 for the next one.
Mm-hmm.
And then for 28, I got 1,537.
That's what I got. For the next one, I got the next to last one.
Greater than.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this one is the top one, right?
Yep.
For 30.
Yep.
And then 31 is 1.768.
Yep. And the next one, I got 0.039.
That's what I got as well.
Mm.
For question 33, yes, we rejected the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
I mean, for this one, the lower bound that I got was 0.282.
Mm-hmm. And then for the upper bound, I got 0.293.
Yeah.
The degrees of freedom are 99.
Yep, that's what I got. And then the test statistic is negative 2.803.
I think there's something super weird with my Excel sheets or something, because some of my T-scores are like super weird. I couldn't figure it out, but.
Like, what do you mean by super weird?
So I have the same, what do you call it? The upper bound, the confidence interval. I have the same confidence interval and degrees of freedom as both of you, but then my Excel sheet said that the T-score was negative 3,683.938.
Oh, wow.
Like, I don't know what I could have done wrong, since the computer did it all.
And how your other variables are correct.
Yeah, I don't know. It was weird. Anyway.
What number were we on?
38.
38. I got 0.006.
Yeah, that's what I got as well. For question 39, I have the top one. We have sufficient evidence to say that the true mean is different than 0.295.
That's what I got.
Mm-hmm.
For 40, I got 8.728.
Yep.
Yeah, me too.
And then for 41, I got 10.455.
That's what I got.
Mm-hmm.
For 42, I got 22.446.
Yep.
Yep.
And then the degrees of freedom is 40.
And for 44 is 0.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And then 45, yes, because we rejected the null.
Yep. Awesome.
Sweet. Moving on to the next one.
1-to-1.
Lauren, I think you came into the conversation a little bit late, but have you heard anything from Andrew?
No. So he like really late in the game sent me an email like, "Oh, here's my M&M. Sorry I got them to you late." And then I was like, "That was like a long time ago."
Yeah.
Like, sorry, and then I never heard back from him.
Yeah, because after our meeting on Thursday, I messaged him and was like, "Hey, you're in charge of the, you're in charge of the project for next week. If you can help out with that, that'd be great." And I haven't heard anything from him, and that was 5 days ago.
Yeah, he took forever to respond to me too. I was like, well.
Did you ever email the professor about it?
I never did, no.
Okay, maybe
I don't know if just with him moving to a different country, he's just on complete different time zones, and it's in the middle of the night there now. I don't know.
I understand that, but you still have a class.
I still have to. Yeah, I have no idea.
So I don't know if we should just carry on as if he's not in our group, because we only have 3 more our group meetings together, right?
Yeah, we're almost done, so
yeah.
I say we just carry on.
Okay.
mean,
Yeah.
honestly, it's his responsibility. I'm not trying to be a jerk, but like, it's his responsibility to like reach out to like.
Yeah.
No, that's what we said on Thursday. Like, he knew he was moving, so it's kind of like on him. Like, we can't, like, I'm not trying to be rude, but we can't be like his babysitters and really help him out,
Yeah.
especially when he doesn't reply fast, because that's not very helpful.
Yeah, I feel you.
All right, so are you guys in question or lesson 21?
Yep.
Okay.
Question 3.
I
Yeah.
got the third one, the direction and strength of the linear relationship.
Yeah, that's what I had too.
And then question 4, if the correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases, the other variable tends to decrease.
That's what I got.
Mm-hmm.
So that would mean question 5 would be false.
Mm-hmm. For question 6, I got 0.901.
That's what I got. So 7 would be positive and strong.
Mm-hmm. I was really confused on this one. So what did you guys get?
So you're like just matching like the graph with, so like going down, it's 1, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2.
Okay, I think mine are different, like matched up different, but
Oh,
hold on one sec.
So your R that equals 1 is 1.
is 1. And then my
Oh, okay.
equals 1 is 6.
Is it 6 or is it 3? Because 3 looks more like neither to me.
For 6, I got 6.
For 6, we got 6.
For 6, you got 6.
Well, like 6 matches up with 6.
Oh. That's not what mine looks like either. That's weird.
Man,
Mine
we might have different ones.
Yeah, mine looks like 1. The first one is 1. The second one, well, I guess my last one looks like 2. Third looks
I
like,
think all of ours are numbered differently, so we'll just have to figure it out.
it's definitely not too hard. So
Yeah. Once you do a couple, then it gets pretty easy. And
Especially
then,
book.
yeah. Lauren, have you taken the test yet?
Yeah,
How was it?
it's hard.
Really?
I mean, it was a lot of like stuff that you have to do by hand. Like, it took me an hour and a half.
Okay.
It was like 40 something questions.
Okay.
I mean, because it was a lot of, you had to do it by hand.
Okay. All right. For question 9, I got 0.728.
That's what I got.
And then for question 10, I got positive and strong.
Mhm. That's a nice short quiz.
Yeah.
No, why can't they all be like that?
After 45 questions.
They used to be nice and short.
They used to be nice and easy too.
Yeah.
And then for this week, let's see what we have to do for the group project.
Oh man.
Sorry, my computer's loading.
Although I'm like so mad at myself because, you know, I was traveling on Thursday, so I didn't come to the meeting, but I thought I had till Saturday, like, to turn in the group, like, to do the group quiz. I didn't realize it was due on Friday.
Oh, it is?
Know that?
Yeah, that group quiz for last week, the like whatever the ones you guys did on Thursday, were due on Friday. I thought I had till Saturday night. So then when I went in on Saturday to do them, they were locked because
Oh no.
yeah, and I was so mad. I was like, you know, crap.
So you didn't get points for them?
No, I
You
lost
wanna do 'em?
points. And not only did I lose points for the meeting, I lost points for the not doing the quizzes.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I know. I was so mad. I was like, darn it, It's just like I'm taking 4 classes over the summer, and they're all so like condensed, and so there's like literally something due every single night. But like I got like by week 5, I got it down pretty good, and I thought for some reason my brain thought they were due on Saturday, but they were not. They were due on Saturday, so Friday.
Last night I was like laying in bed with my husband, and I had a panic attack that the test was due yesterday. So at like 11 o'clock at night, I'm checking.
Oh.
Okay, so we have to, maybe we should try and just do this on Thursday. I think that would work best if we just did this all together on Thursday. And
Yeah, that's fine.
and try to see if everyone can make it. Like, because Brittany hopefully can make it, because we have to, like, name a hypothesis test and then state your alpha level, your null and alternative hypothesis, your test statistic and your value, your p-value, and everything else. So it won't really work unless all of us are here.
Okay. Yeah, that's probably a good thing. And I don't work on Thursday.
Okay.
So I'm not like trying to drive like a mad person to get here on time.
Mm-hmm.
I'll message everyone tonight, and then I'll also email Andrew again and ask pretty please if he could at least try and make it, or at least give us his input on it.
Uh-huh.
And then I'll let you guys know. But hopefully all of us can make it on Thursday and make it go a little bit smoother.
Sounds good.
When is our last day of this class?
It's coming up because fall semester starts the 3rd week of September, doesn't it?
Yeah, it starts on the 17th, but it's weird because, like, my class on campus over the summer, like, classes end on the 12th, but then online things seem to be kind of weird the whole week, or some of them end on the 12th.
So it's like this class, it's saying like the final, like or I guess like the 4th like exam. It says it starts on the 13th at 11 p.m., which I'm not going to take a test at midnight on Thursday night. And then it goes till Friday, which is the 14th, which is weird because then the next one starts on Monday. Because the fall semester starts on the 17th.
Yeah.
That's like literally like you have the weekend. Congratulations.
Yeah.
Well, I asked him, I'm going out of town, so I asked him if he could open the exam sooner so I could do it on like the 10th or 11th, and he told me no.
Oh, that's lame.
It's just like, I've asked him a couple of times to like open homework early, because like we can't open homework till Friday. And I like to be ahead of the game because I don't know if I'll feel good or not. He was like, no, sorry. I'm like, okay. He's like, this class is not meant to like jump ahead, but I feel like during summer you kind of have to because there's so much to do.
Yeah.
There's so much to do.
There's not really like you can't really jump ahead in a class that's 7 weeks.
I know, seriously. But yeah. So I'll message everyone and then I'll email Andrew, and if you guys hear anything from him, let me know.
Okay, that sounds good.
And I can start the meeting again on Thursday.
Okay.
Okay. All right. See you guys later.
Thanks so much, Brooklyn.
Bye.
Yeah.